I think I found her. I think I found her.
You found me.
I found her.
Hey.
Oh my goodness.
There you go.
We found the runaway ma.
I was going to say, she that difficult? Holy moly. Your mom was just telling me that what happened, that she happened to be here when the COVID hit.
Yep.
And it had been 10 years since you last saw each other?
Yep.
How fabulous is that?
So now
I can't get rid of her.
Well, I was going to say,
I'm stuck with her now.
at least she recognizes that. She knows she's on thin ice. Okay? Oh, isn't that something else? And how long have you been here?
Wow, jeez. 20 plus years.
Wow. Yep.
Haven't even, can't even think about the number.
Yep. And we're happy to be here, aren't we?
Yes, absolutely.
Well, I gave your mom.
beautiful.
Your mom walked in and I said, I have to give you. I gave her this card.
Oh, that's nice.
Well, we're proud Canadians. I am.
Yeah, we are.
I always say they allowed me in. It's a good thing.
Where did you come from?
Oh, my parents are French. They passed away. They were French-Italian, but I was raised in the Caribbean.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Yeah. So, yeah, no, I love this country. I feel very blessed to be here.
Yes, it's a very wonderful.
what a nice little place here, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what I do, I was explaining to your mom, I've been here 10 years.
Mm-hmm.
And I do all the buying for my store. I'm not a consignment store. I don't accept donations. Everything is bought. So anywhere from greeting cards, mine are always $1.50,
Cool.
to vintage stuff that tends to be pricier because they're vintage.
Yeah.
So it's a mixture.
That's a nice idea. And you got a nice little spot here.
Yeah, no, it works 10 years into it. I'm still, even through COVID, so yeah. Well, I have no employees. That's one thing.
You are you.
Yeah, exactly. If I don't open, it's my choice. I always say a closed door means $0,
Yeah,
but it's my choice.
that's right.
Yeah.
You have nice stuff.
Have you never had employees?
Nope, never. Well, you know what it is too, is I handpick everything and I know what I have, right?
Right.
I also, the biggest part of my business is dressing people. Let's say, your mom comes in and says, I'm feeling kind of underdressed.
Yep.
And look at the color sweater she's wearing. I go, well, you know what? You could do that. So accessories are huge.
Yep.
And so it works. How about you? What do you do? Besides follow your mom.
Right now, during the COVID times, that's all I do.
That's right. Well, this is not what I studied, but one door closed and another opened, and I was willing to take that door, so.
There you go.
Yeah.
How you finding things, Mom?
It's fun. I'd like to buy more, but I can't see exactly.
Well, you don't need to buy anything, just enjoy yourself.
Has she already bought?
I just got a card. That's so far all I found. I want to buy earrings, but I can't find any.
Oh, come on. That's no excuse in here. There's about a gazillion of them.
I know.
What is your...
I need something with red in it.
I knew that. I'll show you where red is. You like dangling.
Yeah, absolutely.
It has to be a dangle. Okay, so
and
what
I like stones, like real stones.
So these are the only dangles I have in a red. Unless you mix, if you do red with some colored beads, I have a few more. But that's your red if you want dangles. Those are all new for you. I know. Do you know what's cute? Look at this. I know. So cute. You should do the extra small. It is so flippin' adorable.
I can't be here for too long.
No, you got a job to do. I know, the thing is she runs away from the store and comes here. She should be eating, but no, this is so much more fun.
Bro, I already ate it.
Oh, you did. See, the other one I have in red is this one here, in case you haven't seen it.
Oh yeah, show that.
Yeah. So the closest thing, if your son came in and described what you had described to me, I would show you the ones with the stones. With the cluster of stones. But I have a feeling you have a lot of jewelry.
Yeah, well, like rings.
Yes?
Like these are
Those are gold, yeah.
And
These are sweet because
Yeah,
they're
they're
very,
different,
yeah, well, they're, you know, they have kind of the maritime.
yeah, they're very
Yeah.
Sort of red, white, and blue thing.
Yeah, exactly.
She's looking for something to cover her thumb. It's naked right now and she's upset.
Oh no, it's one of those days. Oh, I get it. Well, you
Have an
know,
empty finger.
people will walk. Oh, now if you want to go red bling bling, I got it for you, huh? Is this bling enough for you?
Well, that's bling.
Oh yeah.
It's too blingy for me.
Yeah, I figured.
Okay, we'll go with the card for now.
Yeah, no
But
problem.
Next time I'm in town, I will.
It's $1.50, honey.
Yeah,
Because the other one is on.
I'm just gonna.
Yeah, put it in there, of course.
Anyway, thank you very much.
Bye, take care. See you. Bye, honey.
That's a fascinating